Hello guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how the interface of Getresponse, and it is a follow-up of the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, kindly click the link in the description or you will see the link up there. So it is a follow-up of a model that I have actually shown you in the previous video, how you can actually start earning at least $100. And if you can do that, if you can set it up that you can actually start earning as much as $100 on a daily basis from Getresponse. And it is not again saying the model is teach and grow rich, and I'm going to show you. But if you are new to this video and you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button, because I upload videos and I show how you can actually get proven solutions that would help you or add value to you, or that you can actually leverage and make some income out of. Basically, how do you go about this? There is a link in the description. You can actually click the link. Please kindly click the link. The link is an affiliate link, of course, and basically the link is going to take you to Getresponse, where you can actually sign up for free trial. It's for free trial. It's not going to be on you. You are not making any payment. You are not doing anything, but just to register for free, and that should be enough. And one of the reasons why I've always been saying this is, when you talk about services of Getresponse, one of the major services that Getresponse has is autoresponder, and one of the reasons why the application is highly important. Now, this tutorial, I'm still using the free version, and I still have 25 days before I will start doing any upgrade. Okay, but in this video guide, I want to talk about the Getresponse widgets. Widgets are available tools that you can actually set your own page. You set your own page. Okay, you can set your own page in the way that you would be okay to interact with your own page. Anytime you just need to come to your own page, how do you want to relate with your own page? So the first thing you can do is that there are tons of widgets available, and if you click this plus button here, you can add more widgets. Okay, you can see widget that has to do with your new contacts. That is, if you are actually building a subscriber list and you are building your campaign, you can see widget that talks about your newsletter statistics, those who open, those who sent, and those who bounce, and what have you. You'll be able to see the analysis. You can see widget that talks about your form statistics, your landing page statistics. You can see widget that talk about your autoresponders. You can see widget that talk about your list. Okay, if you are creating list for different businesses of different models, you can just, you can simply just pick any of these widgets, and the next thing you are just going to do is just to click the plus button. Once you click the plus button, the widget comes, and you'll be able to select the list that you really want to interact with. You select one, and you'll be able to see this description for that list. The list, probably you have more than one, two. You can actually select. You'll be able to see the description. This is a new account, like I have told you, and I'm just using this account to show you how you can set it up from scratch, from ground zero to ground hero, in order for you to have so much opportunity. Then if you don't want to have some widgets here, you really want to remove some, because you want your own page, your dashboard page, to be as neat as flexible. And one thing is that this widget is also responsive. When we say it is responsive, you see now you have to enroll. Okay, and if you increase the space, you can see if you are making use of mobile, it's going to be like this. So then you can definitely increase it and make it full-fledged. And of course, if you want to remove any of these widgets, definitely you can just click the remove button. Just remove these widgets. Okay, and it's going to be removed. Okay, or you come to this option, this option and you say click this button, remove the widget, you always have opportunity, and you can definitely drag the widget from one place to another so that your dashboard would be well organized, so that you'll be able to have the real information that you need as at the time you need it. And of course, you can have access to your dashboard from your mobile phone, from your tablets, and from your system, so you'll be able to have good view, so you will not be having any reasons to disturb yourself searching for information on your account, on your dashboard, on your Getresponse dashboard. So in the next video, I'm going to talk more about some of the tools. I'm going to pick the communication tools step by step, showing you how you can set it up and showing you how you can optimize the use of Getresponse. I haven't done that. I haven't said all this. If you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. So, and basically, if you are new to Getresponse or you don't know anything about Getresponse, the first stage is to click the link in the description. The first link in the description, it's going to take you to Getresponse page where you can just sign up for free. You are signing up for free. You are not making any payment in order to sign up. So, and if you are interested in the affiliate package, affiliate program, and the model that I'm going to have taught in the previous video, just go through it, is to build a YouTube channel where you actually teach the value of this application, this solution, and you put your affiliate link, that while people are searching for that information, people would be able to appreciate you through, because definitely the link is not going to add anything or any money or any billing on the subscribers, those who click through, but the link is just for you to be appreciated. So if you can create a YouTube channel and you set the aim to start teaching something valuable, leveraging the tools, you would definitely see the click through or on your affiliate link, and that alone will take them back to Getresponse. And Getresponse, as we have shown you in the affiliate package, Getresponse is willing to pay as much as $100 per sign up, per sign up, okay, per paid sign up, okay. I haven't said all this till next video, where I will be talking more on the email marketing tools, how you can actually set it up, how you can start building your list, how you can start integrating your newsletters and what have you. Till that video, I say thank you and God bless.